Okay, every day I get at least a couple messages through people. And you can get a hold of me, Cory at CoryDraper.com, by the way, my email. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, just comment below this video. I'll see your comments and answer whatever I can for you guys. Also, find me on Facebook and just inbox me. But I'll always get a question about how do just get your message out about these businesses that I see you talk about on your YouTube channel or your posts or whatever. How do you create content? How do you think a guy like me that's maybe this is the person asking me, I'm retired. I don't have experience. I'm a stay-at-home mom and I have a couple hours a day when the kids are at school. I just want to sit back and try to earn some extra money, pay some bills. Okay. Everybody is so different. And that's what I love about online business. And I have people all over the world, not just like in America. I'm based in Utah here, but it's mind blowing that people from the Philippines or the UK, maybe up in Canada, down in Mexico, down under in Australia. It's kind of nice to know that everybody is kind of the same when it comes down to I'm stuck in a rut and I don't know what to do. And if they email me or contact me, it makes me feel good that they value my advice. So thank you for asking me just questions. Okay, I appreciate it big time. I recommend an email program, especially if you're not really going to think about doing video like I'm doing right now, just talking to you folks to a webcam or hosting a live Zoom or, everybody really just gets nervous about video. And I'd say 99% of the thousands of people that are in my groups of businesses, 99% don't want to do video, not 98, not 97. If I have 100 people right here on my cam, 99 will go, oh, I don't want to do video. Okay. The good thing about my businesses is videos are already created that you can use. Okay. And if you email people a link to those videos, you can sit back knowing that number one, your emails, they are just sending out every 5 seconds. Okay. In my case, I'm sending out over 100,000 per day, not per month. So while I'm sitting here recording this, there's emails going out and people, they're seeking an online opportunity to make money at home or on their phone, in their PJs, maybe in their underwear, in bed, just sitting there on their phone. Hopefully not doing crazy stuff, but maybe they're trying to make money on OnlyFriends or is it onlyfans.com? But don't think you have to do video to be successful, especially in the businesses that I do. But let's get you emailing every 5 seconds. I want you to get 3,000 to 6,000 leads per month. Okay, for only $1 a day, $30 a month, 3,000 to 6,000. This company will, after you put a subject in a little box in an email, and I'll help you. I got about 140 emails that I use. I'll give them to you for free. You just go ahead and hit send. And if you have 100 leads, good. Send all 100 your message. The next day, you're going to get 1 to 200 more. Let's say you have 200. 100 from today, 100 tomorrow. Hit the select all button. Guys, send them all out. Because this company filters out all the spammy, all the crap, the rejected emails that are just invalid. Let the company handle all that stuff. You get good at just putting a subject in, a little email message box. Proofread it. If you like what you see, hit send. Every 23 hours, not 24. They stagger it so that, let's say every day at noon, okay, that you always send out emails the same. They stagger it every 23. That way, if I send out emails tomorrow at noon, well, that means the next day at 11 in the morning, I can go ahead and send out more. Now, most people, they're not setting their clock and doing every 23 hours. But if you do, that's fine. But hey, guys, tomorrow afternoon, if you want to send out your entire list, I recommend it. Because every day you're getting 1 to 200 more. So if you have thousands like I do, I have over 100,000. Okay, 100,000 and 200. I put those 200 with my 100,000. Guys, I send it all out. Because people will opt out if they don't want your messages anymore. I send out 1 email per day. I average about 20 to 25 emails before people sign up because they want to get to know me. They want to read. They want to do some research. Guys, I even put my link to my Facebook page. I use my personal Facebook page because I want people to know me. Sure, my opportunities kick ass, but I want people to know who Cory Draper is. As a matter of fact, if you go to corydraper.com, you can see all 7 of my businesses, and they all kick ass, trust me. And if one doesn't, I kick its ass right off. All right? I do love hobbies, but you know what? It's collecting toys and building Legos. I'm not about building and setting businesses up that don't make me money. And I know you're going to probably fit in that category too. Okay? So go to corydraper.com. I want you to click a link. Okay, there it is right there. Click a link and it's going to say My Lead Gen Secret. Or you can go to orderleadstoday.com. So orderleadstoday.com. You're going to go to this exact page right in front of you. I want you to watch this little YouTube video because it explains exactly how this email program works. If you want to join, just hit that Join MLGS Now. Okay? And if you sign up, this is what the back page looks like. First thing you're going to do is just go through all these tabs, but then you're going to go to the mailing system and you're going to click Watch Training Video. It shows you exactly how to make a simple email like I do, or you can put pictures, diagrams, fancy things, bells and whistles, bold, slant your letters, put colors everywhere. But you know what? I just make simple emails. Okay? See right here, I hit Select All. Look at that. 89,500. Now, how do I have over 100,000 emails? Because I have 6 accounts with this company. I have 7 opportunities. So what I'm going to do is join myself and spend another $30 because I want 7 different emails a day going to my 7 opportunities. And if I can send 100,000 emails out every 23 hours and let this company do it all for only $1 a day, plus they have an affiliate program. Guys, I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people doing this exact thing as I'm telling you right now as we speak. All right? Millions of emails are going out as we speak through this company. They've been around a long time. If you've been in the online business, everybody knows My Lead Gen right there. See that? And it's a secret in red. Owner of the company is just a sweet guy. He sends me a pile of cash every single week. All right? And we can go over that. You just go to the affiliate section and put a little link to this opportunity. And this is the one I recommend. Use the link that goes right to this video. Okay? So get 1 to 200 leads a day and send them a nice email about your opportunity. Okay? All you got to do is just hit that Join MLGS. Guys, $30 a day. It is the best deal, especially if you do not want to do video. Please don't think you have to do video to be successful, especially if you want to participate in any of my businesses. Okay? And if you don't mind, I would love to just show you what corydraper.com looks like. I recommend that you do exactly what's there on the screen. Get yourself a link tree. Do you see at the very bottom? See the logo link tree? Just go ahead and click that. Set up a free page. It's like a little capture page. And here's all my opportunities. See, there's my lead gen right there. 3,000 leads a month for only $30 a month. So when people go to corydraper.com, they can look at my other opportunities. But when they want some nice emails every day coming in, seek an opportunity, they click that lead and look where it goes. Boom. Right to the page that explains in better detail. All right. And if they want to join, boom, right there, guys. Okay. So I'm excited. This is by far the best thing that I recommend to people that join my businesses that are shy or just nervous. They don't mind emailing. I'll send you well over 140 that I've written that all work. I'm not going to send you one email that doesn't. Okay. And I'm going to send you the subject. What you put in those little subjects. Because if the subject isn't kind of mysterious, sexy, kind of compelling, they're not even going to open your email. They're going to just delete it. But we want to make sure that your email is kind of fun and gets to the point, and that link goes right to whatever opportunity you want to do. Okay? It's very important. But you're going to dig this system. It's very easy. And with the training video, guys, you're going to really you're going to be tickled pink every 23 hours, 24 hours, or just, let's just say every day, sending out a nice email. Do it again the next day. And in the meantime, you're getting 1 to 200 leads. Bam, 3 to 6,000 a month. And then when you've been doing it 6 months to a year like me, guys, you're going to have 100,000 emails going out every single 23 hours. And if you have multiple businesses like I do, just join yourself. You can use the same credit card, just get a different email. So you join this opportunity now. And if you want twice as much, and if you can afford another $1 a day, $2 a day, I recommend joining yourself like I do 6 times. And I'm going to go ahead and join 7 because I now have 7 opportunities that all complement each other, especially this system. I tell everyone, please look into this opportunity, okay? Because emailing, you just one and done. Make one email, send it, you're done for the day. Go post on social media. And if you don't mind making video, go ahead and do what I'm doing right now. But you don't have to. All my opportunities, I'll tell you, you go to CoryDraper.com. Every one of those little buttons you're going to click, it goes right to a short video that does all the training, all the recruiting. I'm done. I want you to do the same thing. I just want you good at inviting people to go to your Linktree page, or just, if you have a couple opportunities, I just want you inviting the people to those links. I don't want you to do anything else. None. The more you do, it kind of messes things up. Okay? All right, guys, I'll let you go. CoryDraper.com or go to orderleadstoday.com and just check out that video and click that little bright red rectangle on the left that says join my lead gen secret now. Okay? Thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get a hold of me if you need something. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.